Hello, I'm Liam Kenny. I'm the owner of Liam Kenny Motor Body Repairs in Witney, Ensham, Oxford. We offer a vast range of professional services for your entire accident repair needs. We've been approved by Mercedes-Benz for the past 18 years and apply the same ethos to all car repairs, whatever make or model. Our services include car body respraying, refurbishment and part or complete restoration of all cars. We work alongside most insurance companies, fleet operators, trade and general public. We invest heavily in the highest quality materials, workmanship, tools and training. That means we can guarantee to manage your vehicle repair with the utmost care and attention. We also supply free courtesy cars when your car is with us for repair. Keep in mind, whatever your insurance company says, that you can bring your vehicle to us for repair. Thanks for watching. For more information, call us on 01865 88 00 11.